The hazards of using 201 stainless steel as a substitute for 304 stainless steel pipes. Substituting 200 series stainless steel for 300 series stainless steel is a risky practice, especially in public facilities. The inadequate corrosion resistance of 200 series stainless steel presents a grave danger. Moreover, it poses a threat to human health due to its high manganese content, which can harm multiple bodily systems. Counterfeit 200 series stainless steel often contains 4 to 5 times more manganese than 300 series stainless steel, making it a hazardous fake product. Counterfeit production and use of 200 series stainless steel is also wasteful and harmful to the environment. While stainless steel itself is 100% recyclable, the high phosphorus content in counterfeit products makes it challenging to recycle. The increase in phosphorus content hinders recycling and results in wastage of resources. Furthermore, counterfeit 200 series stainless steel contains excessive copper and consumes over 1% of scarce nickel resources. This, in turn, leads to severe resource wastage and environmental harm. In summary, substituting 201 stainless steel for 304 stainless steel pipes can result in severe health hazards, resource wastage, and environmental damage. Therefore, it is crucial to avoid using counterfeit and inferior to 200 series stainless steel products.